guys, my name is Steve Ross from Graphic Illusion. In this tutorial I will show you cinematic color grading using the DaVinci Resolve.
First I am doing change my basic color adjustment and get light blue color. Change my shot for cinematic look, I am add it for my shot. Secondly, change my skin tone and get natural skin color. Also change my gamma, highlights, saturation values to blue color. Finally set luma versus saturation and adjust the color balance. You can see how looks good at after and before. Here this is my shot. First I am take the saturation down to 0. Now go to the curves and take more contrast using the black point. Now bring my saturation back up to 50. And now go to the color wheels and down my red and green bars. That's saturate image nicely. So now add my second node. And get some cinematic look for shot. Then I am using sunlit for this saturation. Now you can see adlet is take more saturation. Now what I'm gonna do is balance my saturation using the key tool. Down my gain for 0. And slowly bring up to balance the color nicely. Cool. Let's go ahead. I am add a new node. Add some parallel node for working with skin tones. Then go the curves and take down the mid-tones little bit. Now I am select the qualifier. Also turn on the power window. First I am select mid-tone colors there. Select the feather tool for blend our selections. Okay. Now up my denoise value. Also up my clean white value. You can see now it's perfectly select the skin. Turn off my power window and go to the color wheels. Now I am push orange color to mid. And take down the highlights for light blue color. Now I am change the low range and high range to balance my skin tone. That's perfect. Down my lift red color and gamma green color. Okay, now I am add another node. Then go to the curves and take the red curve down little bit for get light blue color. And go to the green curve and take up the highlights. Finally push up my blue curve. So nice. Now I am go to the color wheels for get more blue color. First I am change the gamma for light blue color. Now turn down the gamma wheel for more contrast. You can see color grade is perfect but skin is wash out really bad. Then want to get back my skin tone. Now I am doing add another node and add some layer node. Open my key tab. Now I am connect the tabs for select my skin. Then pass the qualification and turn on my power window to see it. Now I am click invert button here. Down my gain value to 0. Slowly bring up my gain value. That's perfect. Okay, finally add another node here. Now go to the Luna versus saturation curve for get more cinematic look. That's nice. Now go to the shadows to balance my skin tone. I am add some red. Looks good. Go to my skin selection node to change my skin tone. I am slowly bring up my shadow color for red. Looks perfect. Now you can see after and before. It's look more cinematic. Look so nice background color and skin tone.
Thanks for watching this video guys, I really appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe and share the videos for watching your friends. Anyway guys, thanks for watching this video. Stay frosty.